Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're back on US Highway 71 heading south in Scott County, Arkansas. We begin in the city of Mansfield. Once we leave Mansfield, we won't come across another city until the very end of the video, but we'll pass through a couple of small communities on the way. We're now out of the Boston Mountains and getting into the Ouachita Mountains. We're at an elevation of around 600 feet above sea level throughout this video. We won't see any steep grades or tight turns in this area. We passed through the unincorporated community of Abbott, founded in 1899. Abbott was likely named after members of the Abbott family who lived in the area during the late 19th century. The agricultural, mining, and natural gas industries have traditionally been important economic resources in Abbott and the surrounding area. The first post office in the area was established in 1851 as Blackjack Post Office. The town was renamed Farmer in 1885, when the post office was re-established after being discontinued in 1877. Several years later, the community of Abbott was officially established in 1899 along with the Abbott Post Office. William R. Abbott was the first postmaster in the community. The Abbott Post Office was discontinued in 1973 and the mail sent to Mansfield. We cross the corner of Logan County, but we'll be back in Scott County in about a mile. We quickly passed through the community of Boothe, denoted by a sign on the side of the road. Boothe was established in 1889 and named after the Boothe family who settled in the area. The community was known as Tomlinsonville and later Tomlinson prior to being named Boothe. One of the first postal routes in the county was established in 1845, stretching from Fort Smith to Waldron. The route passed through Tomlinsonville by way of nearby Mansfield. In 1871, the town of Tomlinsonville was changed to Tomlinson with the establishment of a new post office. Addison T. Boothe was named the first postmaster. This second post office was discontinued in 1883. Agriculture is still a prominent way of life in Boothe, mostly in the form of cattle and chicken farms. We enter the unincorporated community of Elm Park. Settlers began arriving in Elm Park and the surrounding area in the 1840s. The area continued to be settled through the late 19th century. Most families participated in a wide variety of agricultural practices. Many farmers in the area faced economic hardship during the Great Depression of the 1930s with the monetary decline of cotton and other agricultural products. In 1966, a rest area was established in Elm Park along Highway 71. The Elm Park Rest Area is the only one located along the Arkansas portion of Highway 71 and one of only 7 off-interstate rest areas in the state. In the 1990s, there was a threat of the rest area being closed. However, residents in the area protested its closing and eventually helped save it. Elm Park and other area residents continue to use the area for picnics, reunions, and recreational activities. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video as we enter the city of Waldron. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.